Have you ever wondered what makes someone truly intelligent? Is it their seemingly endless knowledge about everything under the sun? Or maybe it's their impressive academic credentials and high IQ scores? Well, you may be surprised to learn that the essence of intelligence goes far beyond these common misconceptions. Now, don't get me wrong. Academic accomplishments and IQ scores can indeed reflect a certain aspect of intelligence, but they are not the be-all and end-all. In fact, they only scratch the surface of what it truly means to be intelligent. What if I told you that intelligence is not just about how much you know, but how you apply what you know? It's about adaptability, learning from mistakes, being open-minded yet cautious, and even having a good sense of humor. Yes, you heard it right. Intelligence is a complex blend of many traits and characteristics, some of which may even surprise you. Did you know that highly intelligent individuals tend to be more individualistic and derive less satisfaction from socializing? Or that they usually have a high degree of self-control? These are just a few of the intriguing traits that research has linked to intelligence. In this video, we will delve deeper into these characteristics, shedding light on what truly sets highly intelligent people apart. We will explore the different facets of intelligence, challenging the conventional notions we have come to accept. So, are you ready to challenge your understanding and perhaps even discover some of these traits within yourself? Excellent, because it's always a good day to learn something new, especially when it involves understanding ourselves and others better. So, let's embark on this journey to unravel the intriguing traits of highly intelligent individuals. Imagine being a chameleon, seamlessly blending into any environment. That's adaptability for you, a standout trait often found in those with high intelligence. These are the individuals who can effortlessly navigate through different settings, whether a bustling cityscape or a serene countryside. They are the ones who, when faced with a challenge, don't crumble under pressure. Instead, they adapt, they change, they overcome. Adaptability is about more than just survival. It's about thriving in the face of change. It's about turning obstacles into opportunities, about finding the silver lining in the stormiest of clouds. Highly intelligent people possess this remarkable ability to adjust their sails to the winds of change. They don't fear the unknown, they embrace it, they adapt to it, and they grow from it. It's not about being comfortable in every situation, but rather about being comfortable with change itself. It's about understanding that life is fluid, that circumstances evolve, and that being able to adapt is key to navigating through this ever-changing landscape we call life. Indeed, adaptability is the hallmark of an intelligent mind. Ever met someone who relishes in the joy of not knowing? It's quite a paradox, isn't it? But that's exactly what sets intelligent people apart. They are not afraid to admit when they don't know something. In fact, they revel in it. It's not about the ignorance, but the opportunity it presents, the opportunity to learn something new. Intelligence is not about knowing all the answers. It's about being open to learning, to expanding one's knowledge and understanding. It's about asking questions, seeking information, and continuously striving for growth. For intelligent people, every unknown is a treasure trove of potential knowledge. It's a puzzle to be solved, a mystery to be unraveled. They see every question as an invitation to embark on a new journey of discovery. This openness to learning is not limited to academic or professional fields. It encompasses all aspects of life. From understanding human behavior to exploring the mysteries of the universe, intelligent people are driven by an insatiable curiosity and a relentless quest for knowledge. And that's the beauty of the learning curve. It never ends. There's always something new to learn, something more to understand. As long as there are questions to be asked, there will be answers to be found. For the intelligent, every day is a school day. Picture a mind that's open to all, yet guarded by reason. This is the third trait we delve into, the paradoxical combination of being open-minded yet cautious. It's like walking a tightrope, balancing curiosity on one side and skepticism on the other. Highly intelligent people are not afraid to explore the landscape of ideas, considering alternative views and solutions. They embrace the unfamiliar, the innovative, the controversial, and even the outright bizarre. But this openness doesn't mean they're easily swayed. Far from it. They understand the importance of being cautious about accepting things at face value. They demand ample evidence before they lend their belief to any claim or concept. They question, they probe, they analyze. They're not just open to new ideas. They're vigilant gatekeepers of their own intellect. Their minds are not dumping grounds for every piece of information that comes their way, but rather discerning gardens where only the most robust ideas are allowed to take root and grow. In the world of the intelligent, skepticism and open-mindedness walk hand in hand. Ever noticed how some people march to the beat of their own drum? It's not just a catchy phrase. This trait, individualism, often characterizes those with high intelligence. They're not antisocial, rather, they find a different kind of satisfaction, one that comes from exploring their unique interests and ideas. While many of us enjoy the comfort of the crowd, intelligent individuals often prefer the company of their thoughts, their dreams, and their ambitions. It's not that they don't value socializing, but their joy springs from a different source. From the freedom to express their individuality. From the thrill of investigating uncharted territories of knowledge. From the satisfaction of solving complex problems. Intelligent people, in essence, have a different kind of music playing in their heads. A music that fuels their curiosity, drives their creativity, and shapes their individuality. They dance to this tune, often oblivious to the conventional rhythms around them. Individualism, it seems, is the silent symphony of the intelligent. Can you resist the call of a chocolate cake when you're dieting? This question may seem trivial, but it's actually a measure of one of the most powerful traits linked to intelligence: self-control. It's the ability to resist immediate gratification in favor of long-term goals. It's the power to control your impulses, to say no to that extra slice of cake because you're committed to a healthier lifestyle. But self-control extends beyond dieting and fitness. It's about managing your emotions, keeping your cool in a heated argument, or staying focused on your tasks when distractions are at every corner. It's about having the discipline to stick to your commitments, even when the going gets tough. Intelligent people often excel in this aspect. They understand that life is a game of chess, not a sprint. They know that sometimes you have to make sacrifices today to reap the benefits tomorrow. They're aware that the path to success is paved with patience and persistence. Self-control, then, is the secret weapon of the highly intelligent. Can you feel the pain of a stranger? This may seem like an unusual question, but it's one that often resonates with highly intelligent individuals. You see, intelligence isn't just about acing tests or solving complex equations. It's about understanding, about connecting, about empathy. Highly intelligent people have a heightened ability to empathize with others. They have a knack for stepping into another's shoes, for seeing the world through different eyes. They don't just hear the words of others, they feel them. They don't just see the actions of others, they understand them. This empathetic nature stems from their innate curiosity, their desire to understand not just the world around them, but the people in it. They are interested in the feelings, experiences, and perspectives of others. They seek to understand, to relate, to connect, but it's not just about understanding. It's about caring. They care deeply about the well-being of others, often putting the needs of others before their own. They feel the pain of a stranger, the joy of a friend, the sorrow of a loved one. They feel, and in feeling, they understand. Empathy, it seems, is the heart that beats in the chest of the intelligent. Ever met a genius with a knack for cracking jokes? Well, it's not a rare sight, as you may think. Intelligent people often possess a unique sense of humor, sharp and quick-witted. They seemingly have a knack for seeing the world from a different, often amusing perspective. It's not just about making others laugh, but more about understanding the essence of humor. This affinity for humor is, in fact, a manifestation of their mental agility. They can effortlessly connect disparate ideas, spot the irony, or find the funny side of a complex situation. Their humor often carries a tinge of sophistication and is rarely slapstick or juvenile. It's their way of processing the world around them, a lens that adds a layer of amusement to the intricacies of life. This doesn't mean that every intelligent person is a stand-up comedian in disguise. It's more about an underlying appreciation for humor, an ability to see the lighter side of things. And this trait is not just for entertainment. It's a stress buster, a tool for resilience, a bridge to connect with others, and a sign of adaptability. Humor, it seems, is the unexpected companion of intelligence. So, what does it really mean to be intelligent? This question has intrigued our minds throughout this exploration, and it's time to draw some conclusions. Let's recap. We've discovered that intelligence is not just about high IQ scores or academic prowess. Rather, it's a dynamic blend of many diverse traits, a symphony of characteristics that harmonizes to create the music of the mind. Firstly, an intelligent person is adaptable, thriving in different environments and situations. This adaptability quotient is a testament to their resilience and flexibility, a nod to their ability to navigate the ebb and flow of life's tides. Next, we explored the learning curve. Intelligence is not about knowing everything, but about the willingness to admit when you don't know, and the eagerness to learn and grow. It's about being a lifelong student in the school of life. Thirdly, an intelligent person is open-minded, yet cautious. They consider alternative views and solutions, but they also demand evidence before accepting anything at face value. They are explorers of thought, but also guardians of truth. The individualistic streak is another trait of the intelligent. They may derive less satisfaction from socializing, but they are not antisocial. Rather, they value their independence and the richness of their inner world. Self-control and a sense of humor are also part of this rich tapestry. The former is a testament to their ability to manage their impulses and emotions, while the latter is a beacon of their ability to see the lighter side of life. Lastly, we looked at empathy. Intelligent people are not just interested in understanding the world, but also in understanding others. They have a keen interest in stepping into someone else's shoes, in seeing the world through another's eyes. If you see these traits in yourself or others, you're likely in the company of the highly intelligent. Remember, intelligence dances in many forms. So, let's celebrate this dance. Let's appreciate the diversity of intelligence, and let's strive to nurture these traits in ourselves and in those around us.